Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in this video. Today, this is a sponsored video. Thank you AutoCast for sending this over. This is the OTTOCAST MINI Slim. It's a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. It's a very small one, hence why it's called Slim. That's your model number. Comes in quite a small packaging. So that's your guide if you want to watch it through, scan it through there. You can get it in black or silver. It's exquisite, faster, stable. And yeah. So the price of this is £80, or currently it's got a voucher, you can get it for £50. So that's good saving there. Let's go ahead and try open this. Guess we're going from the bottom. There you go, guys. No, that is very small. Look at that, that is very small. Now you know I don't like screen protectors, so let me take that off. Oh, let's see the full beauty. Look at that. That's beautiful. So this works as a heatsink. Oh, there's another screen protector at the bottom. Probably should have took the bottom one first. There you go. Oh, that's very nice and shiny. I like it. It's gloss black. So there's your USB, and this is like a heatsink design, so all the heat will dissipate out of here, which is good. And yeah, obviously it will be a fingerprint magnet because it's gloss black. So yeah, this is your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to make it wireless basically. And this is your adapter if you have a USB-C version on your car instead of a USB. So they've thought of everything, haven't they? So yeah, all you do is shove this on there and put it into the USB-C hole. But yeah, we'll show you in the car anyway how it works. So what this does is transforms your normal Apple CarPlay to a wireless one. So it's pretty useful. So you don't have the headache of using wires and stuff. And it's pretty, because it's so small, be hidden away. You won't even notice this thing, apart from when it lights up. I think it does have a light. It looks like it does anyway. Blue light, we'll see. So yeah, there's your user manual. It should be pretty straightforward. I think you connect by Bluetooth first off. Is it Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, something like that. We'll have a look in English. So red light means it's on. Blue light blinking is successful car communication. Blue solid means it's connected to your phone. Red, blue, green means it's doing an update. White means it's done the update. Red blinking means you have a problem with the update. How do you install? You just put it in. Yeah, so you want to Bluetooth on, and then you connect. There you go. That's pretty much it, guys. And then you can do firmware update by logging into the actual website of the phone, of the device, I mean. So yeah, it's not bad that. Alright, we'll go to the car now and I'll show you how this works and test it out. Alright guys, we're in the car now. So here we obviously have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto with a cable. So I'm going to be using the AutoCast. There's a USB port, so we can get rid of this heavy wire. Look at this, it's all in the way and stuff. That's the benefit of this device. Now I need to get this out for 1 second. I remember I didn't take this fully sticker off, did I? I think I opened it from the bottom, didn't I? Yeah. There you go, guys. So this should be just plug and play pretty much. You will need your Bluetooth on for this. So this is, there you go. So the end is that way. So it should be this way. There you go. Oh, I love that colour. Do you like that colour? Wow, look at that. So that's connecting to the Apple CarPlay system there. Whoa, this one has its own firmware. So if you remember, I did unbox another one on my channel before, but we didn't have any software. This one has its own software that's reading from that. There you go, it tells you the instructions. You go to your phone, go to your Bluetooth. and then search for, well, it'll be the only one there. That's hopefully it'll be the only one there. Then you want to allow everything. Come on. Just flashing blue at the moment still. Couldn't connect. Try again. There you go. Okay. Oh, now I need the update for Android Auto. Let this do an update and then it'll just connect straight up. Installing. Once this is done, there you go. Should start up there. Yeah, so now it's starting up there. This one's does it need to upload the apps? Yeah, this is what I don't like. They force you to use all the apps, constantly download the update here. Oh my days, what's going on now? Requires internet. Update, man. Wait, so how do I've done is I've unplugged it again, just so I can connect to my internet. Because when you connect it to that, you won't have an internet. That's why you can't update the app. It's a bit silly. So unplug everything. Update the app to the latest one first. This is the same on Apple CarPlay. If it makes you update it, you'll have to do that. So once it's fully updated, then I can reconnect to it. Because otherwise it won't let me update it because there's no internet. Because this doesn't provide any internet, obviously. It's just a connection to the phone. Where's the hole gone? There it is. Okay. Now we should work. So let's connect back to Bluetooth again. Connect it. So I'm going to disconnect and then reconnect. Scan. Oh. So it comes up the Android Auto or Media Link. There's the two options at the moment because you figure out what phone I am. Okay, starting up now. There you go, guys. We got the Apple CarPlay. Oh, turn that down before I get copyrighted. Alright, guys. So here. So yeah, left side you'll have your Spotify. Here you'll have your maps. At the moment I'm at the unit, so I can't show you the address of the unit. So yeah. And then, oh, what's going on? So yeah, bottom right you'll have your apps, which brings you up to this screen. Then you have your Volkswagen calendar, whatever's on your phone, and this basically, which is pretty good, isn't it? And then if you click your Spotify, you have access to all your music in full screen, and then change it and stuff. It's not showing the cover art at the moment. Might be because of my internet connection. I'm not sure. We'll find out anyway. We might just need to update something. We'll find out. But yeah, it's working fine. Obviously, everything works fine. It'll work like a normal Android Auto. You just have a wireless connection now, and just look how thin it is. It's a very thin device. Look at that. Like it doesn't protrude anything. It's got a nice color as well. And yeah, it's just out the way. No more heavy cables like this. Look at this. No more of this shit. Perfect, isn't it? So yeah. And then yeah, so basically this connects with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth onto your device, so it doesn't lag or anything. So you'll have fast, high-speed connection basically. And yeah, you can play games if you let me. Yeah, you got games here as well. You can play quite a few games. So yeah, and you have your WhatsApp with all your messages. You have Waze maps as well. It's quite a lot of things. Same with Android, Apple CarPlay. You can use this, and yeah, it's a good device this. So if you do have the other one though, if you have the newer systems, you'll have this, which is a USB-C port. It's the same thing. You just put in that. Take this off now. You just put in this at the end of this, and then into that. So yeah, thank you AutoTOCAST for sending this out. Appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, I've left a link in the description to the product, and they did say they were going to give a discount code, but they haven't yet. If they do in the future, I'll update the description so the discount code's there. See you guys next time. Goodbye.